Introducing the pinnacle of efficiency and effectiveness in material handling, the all-new Sinolift L Series IC counterbalanced forklift truck. Crafted to enhance your operational efficiency and output across diverse industrial environments. A fusion of modern design and outstanding functionality, the L Series forklift stands prepared to provide an unparalleled driving experience. Enter a realm of supreme comfort, facilitated by a wide footstep for easy access and a conveniently placed large hand grip. With an ergonomically crafted dashboard with easily accessible controls, the L Series forklift ensures you are well prepared for extended periods of operation. Prioritizing operator comfort and safety above all else, the Sinolift L Series features a spacious, ergonomically designed cabin complete with an adjustable steering wheel and seat, alongside shock absorption features ensuring fatigue-free performance even during extended shifts. Tailored for rigorous indoor and outdoor operations, this forklift embodies unmatched strength and agility, thanks to its innovative design and cutting-edge technology. Our advanced hydraulic system ensures precise control, minimizing the risk of cargo damage, while an easily accessible robust engine and superior lifting capacity effortlessly handle heavy loads up to 5 tons, with forks reaching a maximum lift height of 6 meters. The Sinolift L Series features a high-torque transmission that guarantees ascending steep slopes becomes effortless. Whether navigating warehouse floors or rugged terrain, the L Series guarantees a seamless driving experience, dampening vibrations and minimizing mast shaking to safeguard your cargo. Exceptional all-directional visibility and ample lighting further enhance stress-free lifting and driving, ensuring optimal operator experience. Engineered for durability and heightened productivity, the L Series promises cost-effective operation and unparalleled longevity. Experience the Sinolift L Series IC counterbalanced forklift and accomplish more with the ultimate forklift performance. Get the job done efficiently and safely with Sinolift.